Friends, welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction and changes occurred in the Pundi X in the previous 1 hour 2 hour. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button right now and complete my 2K subscriber. Now let's see the live price prediction. What changes occurred in the Pundi X in the previous 1 hour. What changes? Oh my god, it's a falling time of Pundi X. And as you can see here, the changes is a negative 0.42% changes occur in the Pundi X in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see the graph of the Pundi X, so after a small jump they are start dumping down, they are falling down again and again. I'm very sorry for saying that, but that's the reality of Pundi X in the previous last 1 hour you're watching now. And the high price of Pundi X is in the previous last 1 hour is $0.008209 is the high price of Pundi X in the previous last 1 hour. In the current price of Pundi X is now is $0.008168 is the now price of Pundi X in the cryptocurrency market, as you can see here. Now let's see the low price prediction of last 2 hours. What changes occur in the last 2 hours? Let's see. It's loading, so kindly click the subscribe button right now if you like Pundi X. Let's as you can see here, the changes is also a negative. Oh my god, it's a really bad news for all Pundi holders. As you can see here, they are continuously falling down. The changes is negative 1.34% occur in the Pundi X. As you can see here, the falling down. So it's really bad news for all Pundi holders. I'm sorry to say that that's the reality of Pundi X in the previous 2 hours. I have to say it. As you can see here, the high price of Pundi X in the previous 2 hours is $0.008279 is the high price in the previous 2 hours of Pundi X. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more latest news and update about Pundi X.